Hi! Welcome to my second video. And I just hope na meron pong matututunan yung mga mag-aaral natin sa videong to. And this is Mathematics 4, Quarter 1, Week 3. Okay? So our lesson this morning is all about multiplying numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2 digits with or without regrouping. But before that, let's review first about multiplying numbers with 1-digit multiplier. Okay. So 325, as we all know, that this is the multiplicand, while 3 is called multiplier, and of course the answer is called product. Now, how do we multiply? Okay, so in multiplying whole numbers, we are going to multiply our multiplier to the multiplicand. Okay, so we are going to multiply 3 by 5, multiply 3 by 2, multiply 3 by 3. Okay, let's start. So 3 times 5, that is 15. So write 5, regroup 1. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, plus 1, that is equal to 7. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. So 975 is our product. Okay, so that's how we are going to multiply whole numbers, okay, with 1-digit multiplier. Okay, so let's proceed to our lesson. Okay, so which is multiplying numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2 digits with or without regrouping. Okay, so I have here an example. Okay, number 1. Okay, now we are going to multiply 322 by 32. So 322 times 32. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we will multiply the ones digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. Okay, again, we are going to multiply the ones digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. Okay, so let's start. 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 2, 4 is equal to 4. 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, so 644 is called our first partial product. Okay, again, 644 is called the first partial product. Okay, next. What's next? We are now proceed to the next step. We are going to proceed to the next step. Okay, we are going to multiply the tens digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. So we will multiply 3 by 2. So 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. And of course, we are going to write 6 here. Okay, and leave a space. We are going to leave a space here. Okay, again, we will multiply 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Okay, next, 3 times 2, again, that is 6. That is equal to 6. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, so 966 is called the second partial product. Okay. Next step is we are going to get the final product. Okay, and how to get the final product? Okay, simply add the two partial products. Okay, so 644 plus 966. So let's try to add. Okay, we are going to bring down 4. 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. So write 0, then regroup 1. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Then 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, so the final product, okay, this is now our final product. Of 322 and 32. Okay, again, the product of 322 and 32 is 10,304. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2. Let's multiply 341 and 22. Okay, so the first thing to do is we will multiply the ones digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. So multiply 2 by 1, 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Okay, then 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, so we have now our first partial product. Next, we will look for the second partial product. So multiply the tens digit of the multiplier to the to the multiplicand. Okay, so 2 times 1, that is 2. So we are going to write 2 here. Okay, then 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, so we are now going to get the final product. So by adding the two numbers, so bring down 2, 8 plus 2, that is 10, regroup 1. 8 plus 6, that is 14, plus 1, that is 15. Then regroup 1, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So therefore, the product of 341 and 22 is 7,502. Okay? So these are examples of multiplying numbers up to 3 digits by numbers up to 2 digits without regrouping. Okay. Now let us proceed with regrouping. Okay, let's try this one. Number 1. Okay, so we are going to multiply, or we are going to find the product of 345 and 26. Okay, so first step, we will multiply the ones digit of the multiplier to the multiplicand. So 6 times 5, 6 times 5, that is 30. So write 0, then regroup 3. Okay, next. 6 times 4 is equal to 24 plus 3, that is equal to 27. Write 7, then regroup 2. Okay, so 6 times 3, that is 18, plus 2, that is equal to 20. So this is an example of multiplying whole numbers with regrouping. Okay, next, we are going to look for the second partial product. So we will multiply the tens digit in the multiplier to the multiplicand. So 2 times 5, that is 10. So write 0. We are going to write here. Then regroup 1. 2 times 4, that is 8. Plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. So that is equal to 9. 2 times 3, 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, so then get the final product. So, bring down 0, 7. Okay, this is 9. So, 2 plus 6, that is 8. Okay, so that is the final product of 345 and 26. Okay, again, the product of 345 and 26 is 8,970. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, 624 times 35. Okay, so we are going to look for the product we are going to look for the product of 624 and 35. Okay, so multiply, we are going to multiply the ones digit, which is 5 in the multiplier, to the multiplicand. So 5 times 4, that is 20. So write 0, regroup 2. 5 times 2, that is equal to 10, plus 2, so that is equal to 12. Write 2, regroup 1. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 1, so that is 31. Next, proceed to the next step. Multiply the next digit in the multiplier, which is 3. So we will multiply 3 to the multiplicand. So 3 times 4, that is 12. So write 2 here below the digit 2. Okay, don't forget to leave a space here. Okay, then write 1, regroup 1. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 1, so that is equal to 7. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So write 18. Then find or get the final product. Okay, so by adding, bring down 0, 2 plus 2, that is 4, 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8, 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11. Regroup 1, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, so that is the final product of 624 and 35. Again, the product of 624 and 35 is 21,840. Okay. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-multiply. No? So, I just hope na kahit papano meron po kayong natutunan sa video na to. No? And kung nagustuhan or meron kayong natutunan sa video na to, okay, please don't forget to click the like button na matatagpuan sa baba ng video. Okay? And kung pwede, please subscribe also para magiging updated kayo sa mga videos na gagawin ko, sa mga susunod na videos na maaari ko pang gawin. Okay? Para ganahan din po akong gumawa ng mga videos. Okay? And you can share this video to your friends also. Okay, so that's it. Muli, maraming salamat.